Welcome back to MTBR. This is John Hauer again. We're at Indoor now, here to check out a few more products that we have for 2012. Right here is our brand new Vengeance HLR coil. So we've had the Vengeance HLR for a few years now, but with demand for a coil sprung fork, we had to do this and put our top of the line HLR damper in it. So you have rebound adjust, high speed compression adjust, and low speed compression adjust. This fork actually isn't much heavier than the air sprung fork. It's about 100 grams heavier with the coil spring in it compared to the air spring system. So here at X-Fusion, we finally stepped into the 29er market with our Slide RL fork. This fork comes at 120 millimeters of travel, but using our ITA, internal travel adjust system, you can internally change the travel from 120 all the way down to 80 if you desire, and anywhere in between. We have preset holes at 120, 100, and 80, and the rest of your custom travel adjustment can be done with travel spacers. This fork comes right now with air adjust, lockout, and rebound. Like you saw in the Vengeance HLR or DLA at Outdoor Demo, the Velvet also has DLA. It's the same system. It's a hydraulic travel adjust system, which allows you to drop the fork 30 millimeters from its full travel. This being a 140 millimeter Velvet fork will drop to 110 millimeters of travel for when you're trying to climb. This fork also has the lockout and rebound adjustment. And this fork weighs just about 4 pounds. So we talked about the Vector Air at Outdoor Demo, but we still have the Vector Coil, which is our high performance coil DH shock. It has all the same adjustments as the Vector Air, but we've added a few new things for this year. We added a higher oil flowing piston, and we also added our CVS system. CVS is our check valve system. What that does is it completely isolates the compression adjustment from affecting the rebound. And better than that, it improves the quality of the damping throughout the entire stroke. It helps to prevent wallowing in the mid-stroke and manages the oil flow much better from the beginning to the end of the stroke. So another cool note about the Vector HLR is that our race team was actually on this all year, DRD X-Fusion Intense, and Cody Warren ended up taking the Pro GRT DH title on this shock, and his little brother took the junior title and is just riding at an amazing level. So it's been great to support both those riders while doing the development on this shock, and the partnership's been great, and now the consumers are rewarded with shocks that'll blow their minds. So we still have our O2 line of shocks, and for 2012 we did a few things to increase the performance of them. First, we went to a new piston which flows oil a bit better, and also we changed the tunes on these, which means different IFP pressures and different shim stacks, allowing the shock to work a bit better. And also we have multiple tunes for different frame designs. Most of that's going to be on the OEM side of things, but that just means that when you buy an X-Fusion spec bike, that you're going to get a product that was actually built for that bike instead of just picking which model they wanted out of the catalog. Lastly, I want to show you our Hilo adjustable seat posts. We made a few big changes for 2012, one being that we bumped the travel adjust up to 125 millimeters, so a full inch more. Also, we lightened it up. We took about 45 to 50 grams out of each model, which gets our post to be a lot more competitive with what else is offered out there. And lastly, we made it a lot more durable. We went to a larger OD on the shaft here, which allows less stress on the seal because this is much more rigid. On top of that, it comes with both the remote and the lever option. So when you get your post and you realize, oh shoot, I don't really want to run lines on this bike, you have the option to switch back to the lever and vice versa. So everyone at MTBR, thanks for checking us out. I'm sure you're going to be seeing a lot more of us in the near future, so stay tuned.